Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, 다들 하지 뻔한 이야기, her brain fried. My lady papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly, why she waiting on me? 여긴 나의 area, 여긴 my area. Keep on heading if you want, I drive it like you know. I don't.
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops of drizzle meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt, peep the scenery. Telephone rang, then it stopped before I could answer it. I heard it knock at the door, so I answered it. And with Jermaine, he had a little situation. Beef up on the block, and orthodox to led the confrontation. He said these cats be acting hard on the block, and they be pumping weight and holding, so Dwayne got shot. Now see, Dwayne was just a knucklehead, but still with his cousin. And I'd be wrong if I ain't help him when it's beef, he gon' rush him. He said, listen, homie, ain't no time for discussion. Motherfucking pressure's rising and it's boiling to bust him. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got the bait, you be the hook, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for show. Kiss my girl up on the head and in the wind up the door. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, say goodnight. Hey yo, we pulled up on the block and it's raining, it's hard to see shit. All I seen is 6 headlights, that means it's 3 whips. 3 chicks hopped at the whip, they had some heaters with them. Walked up on it slowly and told me they wanted to get to know me. Jermaine was scoping them bitches, he peeped their strategy. They took us to a building with children, they watching actually. But naturally, took us to the basement instead. I see Dwayne up in the corner, but they told me he's dead. That's when I looked up at Jermaine, he got a smirk that he made. Put his pistol to my back and told the bitches I'm straight. Motherfucker set me up, but ain't no time for discussion. Seen him stalling for a minute, so I started to rush him. Knocked the pistol out his hand and quickly fell to the floor. We scuffled back and forth for minutes, I got snuffed in my jaw. And when I got back to my feet, I saw him clutching his heater. He pulled it quickly like a symphony. And now with Jesus, it's like stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, say goodnight, yo.
문제가 생겼어.
What the fuck is this shit? Now you off to Miami? Am I not good enough for you? I can't fucking believe I've had to put up with this shit. Do you even know how much I want us to work? This is completely...
Message deleted.
Bad bitches on my dick now. Come back when I'm rolling from a hit now. Goddamn, when I'm really gon' call you. We gon' talk, everybody wanna vote you. Shit, but I ain't on the stereo waves. Understand, all my people really wanna get paid, but they not really strong. Set tripping the wrong and they wanna get lost. Hey, right in the riddle, taking it slow though. Cutthroat. Industry shit, I don't care. You all fucking fake losers that ain't going nowhere. But I'm like Super Saiyan, hey. I'm just hallucinating, hey. I don't wanna fake it. What kind of sick thoughts are you relaying? But Batmobiles we ride. We demonstrated talent, then we contemplate. We contemplate all the fucking hate in our hearts. I don't ever show love when you're playing the part of a savage beast. My heart just bleeds. Tokyo nighttime when the future's bleak. And I'm not really gonna care, not really gonna stare. I'm just aiming for the top and I'm always unfair. But really, gonna fuck up. Fly. Really, let you draw sometimes in my mind. Let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's really go run the whole town. But yeah, we don't lie. Yeah, we snort drugs sometimes. Damn, let me feel you one time. Hey, let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's party all night if you down. Hey. Woke up in the morning, grab a passport, train to the city, then a ferry in the harbour. Sightseeing with the Europeans on the dance floor. Counting on my blessings, man, what more can I ask for?
Headed to the airport, planes ready, confetti when I enter, but I'm headed stay ready. Know about the game with me, cause I'm gonna come up and I love it if my day ones came with me. They ain't ready, yeah. Play Miami, Will Smith, party vibes in the summertime, your boy feel lit. Naughtiness is everywhere, your boy feels sick. Should I check my pulse when I base on my But tell him I ain't giving any tips. I can go and get changed at the end of this shift. And tell him we can meet up on the weekend, pumping Biggie on the speakers at the Fina by the beachfront. Every day a holiday now. When I make plans, I just live day to day now. Won't flame hits me up like, wait, stay now. Bitch, sit down, I got nothing to say now. I'm way too focused on that better life. Ain't no drama for your mama, how's your appetite? Let's go to dinner, just forget about them other guys. It's 2 and 9, making waves on this Miami night, hey.
Really gonna fuck up shit when I fly. Really wet your jaw sometimes in my mind. Let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's really go run the whole town. But yeah, we don't lie. Yeah, we snort drugs sometimes. Damn, let me feel you one time. Hey, let's go to Miami now. Let's go to Miami now. Let's party all night if you down. Hey.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, 다들 하지 뻔한 이야기. Her brain fried. My lady papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly. Why she waiting on me? 여기 나의 area, 여기 my area. Keep on heading if you want. I drive it like you know. I don't wanna hear you. 지겹잖아 이제 넌 like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though. 소식껏 날 믿고 I fly non-stop. Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on. Drive out and riding birds. Honeyberry counting gobs. I do what I wanna do. 그게 나의 문의원. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지. Just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I 내 flow가 작은 눈이 분위기는 chill. Fendi snakes on my barrel. Yeah, I'm feeling first class. Yo, it don't cash flow. Ooh, pop it on my glass. Ooh, pop that pass. Ooh, smoke that gas. Cash play, blackjack. Monkeys on my pick. 100, 200, multiply. Dollar sound, smile, lullaby. Never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain 숙여 너의 고개를 What you looking at fool 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 Find your comfort from another yeah. I go low like undercover yeah. Wanna know my name 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름 Guess you can even guess me Cause I'm baby High low로 확실해 not like maybe Level welcome to my palace 찾지 않아 Alice You just keep on wonder You just keep on wonder 찾지 않아 Alice but 너의 memory I just pop a bin Danny have been 나는 걸어 Boeing 747 I get weak Get ready Like thought I wanna get late 준비해 빨리 We ain't got a lot of time man Wavy night Jameson hit the rock bottom 잃어버린 정신머리들 Yeah I got 'em Yeah I shot 'em 모든 problems 언제까지 기다려야 할래 Now gone Yeah
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops, a drizzle meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt, peep the scenery. Telephone rang, then it stopped before I could answer it. I heard a knock at the door, so I answered it. And what Jermaine, he had a little situation. Beef up on the block, and orthodox to led the confrontation. He said these cats be acting hard on the block, and they be pumping been waiting, holding, so Dwayne got shot. Now see, Dwayne was just a knucklehead, but still with his cousin. And I'd be wrong if I ain't help him when his beef, he gon' rush. And he said, listen, homie, ain't no time for discussion. Motherfucking pressure's rising and it's boiling the bustin'. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got the bait, you be the hook, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for show. Kiss my girl up on the head and in the wind up the door. Stunned up in the dark,